The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern San Bernardino County in Southern California until 8 p.m. EDT. Before 57 p.m. EDT, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms continue to produce heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing across San Bernardino County, particularly through the Mojave National Preserve, and all roadways are currently closed. Hazard, life-threatening flash flooding. Thunderstorms producing flash flooding. Source, radar. Life-threatening flash flooding of low water crossings, creeks, normally dry washes and roads. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fort Irwin, Kelso, Baker, Mitchell Caverns, Chima, Daggett, Blue Hills Campground, Ludlow, Hole in the Wall Campground, Black Canyon Equestrian Campground, Amboy, Aspen Canyon Campground, Mountain Pass, Nixon and Evampo Roads, Essex, Nixon, Dumont Dunes, XR 127 Dumont Dunes, Newberry Springs, and Tacoma.